Today we're making this cozy Mexican picadillo with veggies. Watch how these simple ingredients transform into a comforting, vibrant, one-pan meal that screams flavor without breaking the bank.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
In a large pan, brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat. I break it up with my meat chopper so it renders nicely and browns evenly. Links will be posted below or in my bio for other platforms. When the beef is starting to color, add 2 cubed potatoes. Stir for a couple of minutes using the grease to your advantage. Then let the meat finish browning. Once brown, carefully drain the grease from the pan. This helps keep the dish light and prevents the sauce from getting greasy. Return the pan to medium heat, then add 1/4 to half of a diced onion and stir for about a minute until it begins to soften. Now add 1 chopped green bell pepper and cook for another minute. Toss in 3 minced garlic cloves and 3 jalapeno slices. Stir for about 30 seconds until fragrant. If you like it spicy, you can add more jalapenos. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then add 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon tomato bouillon, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Stir to coat everything and wake up the flavors. Mix in half a can, 4 ounces of tomato sauce. Then stir in a small bush of chopped cilantro for brightness. Pour in a 16-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots, then add 3 cups of water or beef broth. Make a slurry by dissolving 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 2 tablespoons of water, then stir this into the pan to slightly thicken the sauce. Give it a good stir, let everything come to a slight simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Once done, you can serve with Mexican rice and beans or switch to mashed potatoes or white rice like I've done today for a different texture.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!